Hi, let's see how to display graphic in the game. Let's start from import graphic, example graphic to our project. Then we need to add widget blueprint, user interface, widget blueprint. Okay. And give the name to it. Double click. Size is okay. Now we need add an image, brush, select the graphic. This is our imported graphic. I think that it will be okay. Compile, save, close. Now we need open widget blueprint, level blueprint. I'm sorry. Let's start from event begin play. Now I think that it will be good to wait, for example, 5 seconds, so delay. And after this 5 seconds, we will display our graphic. So edge to viewport. Check out context sensitive. We see then add to viewport. But before it, we need create widget. Exactly. Okay. Then select our widget. Example graphic. Perfect. Then display it. So add to viewport. And after displaying, wait for about, I think, 7 seconds will be enough. So delay. Set 7 seconds. And after this 7 seconds, remove from parent, so the graphic should disappear. Compile. Excellent. Save. And try it. Okay. I think that 5 seconds. Perfect. And after 7 seconds, the graphic has disappeared. Everything works. Thanks for watching. In case of any questions, please write in the comments. Bye.